finish off our points for June. Yes, a bit late than the last video, but we need to close off this before we go on our next journey. So as usual, I'm gonna pop up onto an unusual space along the path, and I have to get a 3D art. So here it is. It's a damselfly. I actually thought originally that it was a dragonfly, but it's a damselfly, and it's actually commissioned by Eamon O'Doherty in 2005. He's a well-known sculptor, unfortunately passed in recent years, but he has done a lot of the artwork along roads for civic authorities and for local authorities as well. So he was commissioned to do this, and it was erected I think in 2005, or it was commissioned in 2005. I'm not sure, the information's a bit sketchy online, but yeah, it's a 7-meter statue, and it's very it is very noticeable as you go along the road. And I just caught this and I said, you know something, I'm going to get this now while I need to get the points. And it's a beautiful thing, obviously bonny up on the side of the road, being a rebel that I am. But yeah, it was a perfect point to get the points started, and we've got some cool points along the way, including, as the title says, a really unusual door. I keep getting drawn back to these types of places, but the door I could not turn down. It's absolutely one of the coolest things I've seen for an unusual door. So let's get out of here in Kilmeaden and let's head along the way to get further points and close off this month's points totals. Enjoy the rest of the video. And we're at our next point already. So it's the town hall, and actually that's a 5-pointer. So that's a big one for the month to get. And sometimes it's also great just to get style points for the picture. We don't get actual points, but getting something like a bus or whatever in front of town hall is cool as well. So yeah, them points are done. Them points are in the bag. So let's head further on and see what other points we can get. Okay, so just to let you know as well, also on the side of balance, so the points every month, they can be really difficult. Like this month I found, in June, I found round towers really hard to get, and this is the really annoying side of it as well, because look right there, I see that as a round tower, but because we've so many round towers, as in like from castles and churches in the Republic, we can't get those. So this one is another one just around the corner, in the same place in St. Ochtrin's. This is not seen as a round tower either, so that is a very annoying point, or lack of a point. And I'll show you another one up the road here as well that didn't qualify for points. So it just gives you a balance that it's all not that easy, and it is actually really annoying at times. So if you're going to do it in the future or anything like that, it's good to point out, and it's good to point out for yourselves as well, going, oh yeah, this is all handy. I like to show both sides of it, so when it doesn't work, I'll show you as well, as much as I can. So yeah, that's just the context of right and wrong points. Spotted this gate, spotted the door over there. That's the last one I have, but look at the gate. How ornate is that? Really nice. I've passed this church so many times, I don't even know what it's called. I'll have a look, but I've passed it so many times and I've never actually come in here. And I've always been meaning to come in here. So this is the last one for June. Unusual door, so this is the last point of the month. And I couldn't not go in and get this door. Look how cool that door is. Very, very cool. I could bring Bonnie in here, but I don't want to either. It's a church area too, but look at this door. Look how cool this door is. So I can use my helmet and take a picture as well. If we can't get the bike in, if we can't get the bike into a place, we can use our helmet. Get a picture of the door with the helmet, which is what I'm going to do now. So let's go. Oh, such a cool door. To get a better picture. Very cool. Very cool. So this is a bonus added on to the video from all the other points that I got. Well, most of the other points I got. It's a bonus to me as well because I wasn't going to film it, and I was just out and about, and I'll show you the other tower that I got as well. I don't know which of the three are going to stand, but I'll let you know which one stands anyway. But yeah, this is the final one for June, so June points are complete. I have guaranteed silver now. I can go for gold, but I do want a silver patch because I haven't had one before. But it's hard now because I'm on over 100 points and like you kind of have to limp over the line now, so I don't know what to do on it. But happy to get out, happy to be on the bike, and yeah, it's been a hectic couple of weeks, as you know, with everything that's happened and all that kind of stuff personally as well. But look, I always try to give out videos, but at the end of the day, I'm unpaid here, so I do it when I can, and when I can get the time to do it as well. You know, I have a busy life, I have kids, family, friends, all that kind of stuff as well. But I appreciate the follows, appreciate the support, and until next time, Deise REV'IT out.